Exercise 3.6. First question. Show the relationship of the following numbers with their HCF and LCM. So we will find out the HCF and LCM and we will show the relationship between them. So first of all, you will find out the HCF, then LCM, then we will find out the product of HCF and LCM, and then we will find out the product of two numbers. So this is the way. LCM I have shown. We have got the LCM as 16 of these two numbers. I have done HCF. Now I am going to solve. I am going to do LCM of it. So 2 1s are 2, 6 are 12, 2 7s are 14, and 2. Again with 2. 2 8s are 16, 2 3s are 6, 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 8. Again with 2. 2 1s are 2, 9. 3 3s are and 3, 1 and 1. So LCM 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 times 2 and 2 times 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 2 times 3. So LCM will be 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 32 3s are 32 3s are 96 and 96 3s are 9 to 27 and 28. So our LCM is 288. So we have got the HCF and LCM. Now after these two steps we will multiply HCF and LCM and we will multiply 32 and 144. If both the answers, if both the products comes out to be same, that means our relationship is right. We have done the entire calculation without any mistake. So in the next part I am going to do the multiplication process. Next, the same part, LCM and HCF. This was the LCM and this was our HCF, and product of two numbers, which is given in the question. Now you all know the new method of multiplication, right? So we will follow the easy method. So 288 multiplied by 6 ones, and then 288 multiplied by 1 tens. So here 8 6 are 48, 8 6 are 48, 48 के बाद 49, 50, 51, 52. 6 2 are 12, 12 plus 2, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So here we get the same answer because, and I will add 1728 plus 2880. So 8 plus 2 10, 16 and 4. We should get the same answer for this part. If we get the same answer, it means our entire calculation is right. So 144 will be multiplied by 2 ones first, and then 144 will be multiplied by 3 tens. So we'll put 0 here. So 4 2s are 8, 4 2s are 8 and 2 1s are 2. 4 3s are 12, 1 carry over. 4 3s are 12 plus 1, 13, and 3 1s are 3 plus 1, 4. So we will add these two numbers now. 4 3 2 0 plus 8 10 6 and 4. So you all can see that both the answers are same. It means HCF and LCM is equals to product of two numbers. So this whole question, all the questions you will solve like this. This question and question number 4 both are same. So what all some numbers I am going to send you in my message, you will do only those questions. Question number 1 and question number 4 are same. Now let us go for question number 2. Question number 2 is same as example number 6, which I have already explained you. Question number 2 is same as example number 6, and question number 3 is same as example number 7. So both these examples I have already explained. And now question number 5 is same as example number 8. Example number 8 also I have explained you. So these are questions you will try by your own. I am repeating, question number 1 and question number 4 are same. Question number 2 is same as example number 6. Question number 3 is same as example number 7, and question number 5 is same as example number 8. So all these questions you will do by your own. Next, question number 6. Let's start solving question number 6 now. Question number 6. Let's read the question. 3 baskets of fruit contain 42, 98 and 17 pieces respectively. Means in one basket there are 42 pieces, second basket has 98 pieces, and the third basket has 70 pieces respectively. So what is the highest common number? It's clearly given to us in the question. We have to find out highest common factor of fruit that can be taken from all the 3 baskets at one given time. So here is the solution on the board. Let's start. 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 3 7s are 21, and 7 1s are 7. So 2 into 3 into 7. Next is 98. So 2 4s are 8, 2 9s are 18. This number 49 is not divisible by 3. It is directly divisible by 7. So 7 7s are 49, and then 7 1s are 7. Last 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. 5 7s are 35, 7 1s are 7. So 2 into 7 into 7, and here we have 2 into 5 into 7. So you all can see that we have 2 3 times and this 7 3 times. So 2 into 7 is equals to 14. So HCF is 14. So in the statement I will write 14 pieces of fruits can be taken from all the 3 baskets at one given time. This was question number 6. Let's go for question number 7. Next, question number 7. Let's read the question first. Rubina has 2 ribbons. One is red and the other is green. Find the lengths of these ribbons. The lengths of these ribbons are 448 and 528 respectively. Means the length of red ribbon is 448 and the length of the other green ribbon is 528. These have been cut into pieces of same lengths without any wastage. Means these ribbons have been cut in the same length. Means 148, the length, the ribbon which is of length 448 has been cut equally into many pieces and without any wastage. Means कुछ भी ribbon बचा नहीं है. Means remainder is 0. So we have divided this ribbon into small pieces of equal length, and this ribbon also divided into many pieces into equal lengths. So we have to find out that what is the length of each piece. We don't know the length of each piece. So here again we have to find out the divisor. It means we have to find out the HCF. Equal length हमेशा divide की जाती. Divide equal lengths we always find out the divisor. Means we have to find out the same equal length. which length will be we will find out to get the answer. So all of you, 2 to the 4, 2 1 1 2, 2 5 10, 6 12, 2 4 2 2 4, 16, 2 14 2 2 7 7 1. Here also 2 2 4, 6 12, 2 4 8, 2 1 2, 2 3 6, 2 2 4. Again with 2. 2 6 12, 2 6 12. Again with 2. 2 3 6, 2 3 6. But now not with 2 but with 3. 1 and 2. So here we find out the HCF. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 times 2. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 1 time 7. Here 1 2 3 4. 4 times 2 and 1 time 3 and 1 time 11. Now let's pair of 4, pair of 2. That is it. Rest we don't have anything common. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. So we'll get 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. So the largest possible length of each piece will be 16 centimeter. This was question number 7. Now question number 8 is same as example number 8, and question number 9 is same as example number 9. So all these questions you will try to solve by your own. Our chapter number 3 is finished. So students, on 26 you will be having your PT1. So start preparing for it, and if you come up with doubts, please ask me, and we'll meet in our next class. Till then, take care.